Hello everyone. Today we're going to make a trick-or-treat bag for the kids in honor of Halloween. For the first time in a while, we'll be using two types of HTV, Cuttable HTV and Printable HTV. Let's get started. First, let's work on the Cuttable HTV. The Cuttable HTV can be weeded along the cut lines, just like you've done before. This time we have a very simple design using 4 colors, making it much easier to work with. We'll start by checking the material size and cutting out the larger area of the design. Let's cut the remaining design elements the same way, and then move on to the main weeding process. Using a large design like today's makes the weeding process a bit easier, but you'll still need to check for cut lines or holes in the middle of the image and clean them up carefully. Next, we'll move on to the Printable HTV. Printable HTVs are prepared by first selecting the size and design you want, then printing the image with a dedicated printer. Since we're making a Halloween bag today, we'll use a darker image to match the holiday theme. Unlike Cuttable HTV, Printable HTV allows you to print multiple colors at once, making it versatile. Today, we'll use both Cuttable HTV and Printable HTV to compare how they look and feel. Printable HTV is relatively easy to weed, as it often involves larger image shapes, so you can simply remove the outer edges in one go. After weeding, however, there's an extra step compared to Cuttable HTV. You'll need to apply an application tape over the printed surface. Cuttable and Printable press. When pressing both the Cuttable and Printable HTV, set the temperature to 150 degrees and press for 10 seconds. Since Cuttable HTV can't be pressed all at once, you may need to press it in sections. Note that the temperature and pressing time may vary depending on the type of HTV, so always check the instructions before using it. Finish.